guys, this is Nikki's boyfriend Juan. Am I supposed to say anything? Am I supposed to say stuff? Aren't you just gonna voice over?
No, I'm not gonna voice over
I
it.
need some light.
No, because if I turn the light on, then the foil doesn't show.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, look at this beautiful foil. Look at this.
Okay, go back to what you were doing on there. Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. That was Juan. He is here helping. He's actually sitting behind me right now putting together the sampler packs from the various shops. So those will be for the first 40 orders. This week is the Ultimate Planner sale. So we're gonna be doing 35% off, which is higher than what we normally do. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna have some freebies. We also have the sampler packs from the various shops, which I've got right here. Sorry guys, my camera battery died. I don't remember what I was talking about. So we've got 3 new collections. We've got freebies that are tiered for the Ultimate Planner sale, and then I've got the freebie packs that'll be for the first 40 orders. I'm gonna pull this up really quickly just so I can make sure that I've got everything. So we're doing 35% off. The sale begins at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will end at midnight Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. We are going to be bringing back micro kits. I'm gonna keep them in the shop from now on, and what's gonna happen is from Friday through Sunday, they will be at that special $5 price, and then after that, just so that we can keep them in the shop and I don't have to worry about coupon codes and everything, they will go up to their normal price of $7.50, I believe. I'm gonna have to check the Facebook group. And then you'll be able to use coupon codes. So for the kits that I've got coming out tomorrow, we're not gonna have the micro kits just because I felt like it was gonna get confusing. So the micro kits that match these will go up probably this coming Friday, I wanna say. Whenever the next round of new releases go up, we'll go ahead and get the micro kits up that match these. But all of the older micro kits will be available in the shop for the sale. Also, all of this is already on the website. So if you wanna preload your carts, all of it will already be there. I think that's it. Let me go ahead and get into it. So I will show you guys the samplers from the other shops at the end of this video, and then I will also show you guys what we're doing for samplers towards the end as well. So we've got 3 new collections. The very first one is called Mary. So let me go ahead and get there we go, bottom washi out. So this one is Coffee Doodles artwork, Elaine. I love her stuff so much. We've actually got 2 sets with her artwork for this week. So you guys can see we're doing Christmas. We've got Merry and Bright. There are some snowflakes falling. Really pretty coffee tray. Just a really pretty like farmhousey Christmas. You guys know I love that. So bottom washi has got your lights, lots of plaid, just super pretty. I love how this ended up turning out. So this one is the super traditional Christmas kit out of the bunch, and then I've got a pastel, and then we've got another kit with more like fun, bright colors that isn't as traditional. So that is the bottom washi as well as the full box sheet. You guys get the foil date covers, you've got your weekly tracker, you've got your boxes up top. These are for the deluxe version of the kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through the deluxe version for the non-foiled pages. I'm gonna try to get through this video as quickly as possible because my camera battery is gonna die again. It's already 11 p.m. and I need to get this uploading. So if you guys have any questions about anything, if I forget to mention anything, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. So on your second sheet, you've got your 3-bow checklist, you've got your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, and your movie marquee. Next sheet is the same in all of the kits. You've got your appointment labels, your flags, your quarter boxes, and your half boxes. Next sheet, you've got your little things, your glitter headers, as well as your cut washi. And then your next sheet has got your ombre bow boxes, you've got your flags, your daily trackers, you've got a 3-bow checklist and 2 of the 2-bow checklist. And then you would go back to that bottom washi sheet. So all of that is the deluxe version of the kit. We've also got the mini version, so you've got the same full boxes here. Next sheet has got your flags, your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, your checklist. Next sheet is your half boxes, quarter boxes, and flags. Next sheet is your scalloped bow headers, your various headers, your cut washi, and your little things. And then your last sheet has that same bottom washi, date covers, weekly tracker, daily tracker, and then 1 of those foiled bow boxes up at the top. And then we do have B6, and then like I said, we'll have micro kits. I'm just gonna wait because I don't wanna cause confusion over those. So all of the older micro kits are gonna go up. They're not up yet. They should be by the time this video goes up. And then if anything is missing, you guys just either shoot me an email or message me on Facebook, or in the Facebook group would probably be the fastest way. I know that I'm missing a set of glitter headers. I need to go ahead and fix that. And all of these kits will have glitter headers available as well. Just made me think of that. So this is B6. You've got the same full boxes. These are now back to the standard Erin Condren size. So you've got 1.5 by 1.9. Next sheet is your appointment labels, quarter boxes, flags, half boxes. Next sheet, you've got your 3-bow checklist, your cut washi, your little things, your scalloped headers, some bow checklist, and then I was able to keep that same bottom washi. So you've got your string lights, you got your bows, foil date covers, and then your icons. So those were the 3 kit sizes. For the rest of these, I'm just gonna kind of flip through. We do have the images up onto the website on the second page if you want to see kind of closer what is in each size kit. So for the next collection, this one is called Magical Christmas, and I have lost my last page. Here we go. So you guys know that when Elaine came out with this artwork, I absolutely had to do something, and I love how it turned out. So this one is Disney. And I did holographic foil for this one. So I'm gonna show you guys this page first. Your bottom washi has got some Mickey like string lights. I thought these were really cute. And then over here, you've got the Mickey head with the snowflakes, and it actually has the castle as well as the snow falling around that. And I thought that was really, really cute together. And then for your full boxes, here we go. We did some really big foil pieces on these. So we've got this Mickey right here that has the Santa hat, but I thought it was really cool because it's actually made up of a bunch of like smaller Mickeys. I'm not sure how well that's picking up. And then we've got just some of the Christmas decorations. On this tree, there are some holographic Mickey ornaments, and then this box right here says Disney Christmas, and it looks just kind of like an ugly sweater. I thought that was so cute. And then down here at the bottom, you've got Mickey and Minnie kissing under the tree in the castle, and then you've also got another, this is a different type of Mickey string light, you guys can see. So yeah, we did some pretty big foil on this right here, but I thought that it turned out so incredibly cute, and I love the pastel. So yeah. That is the full box as well as the bottom washi sheet for deluxe, and then I'm just gonna kind of flip through so you guys can see the colors for this kit. We've got like a light pink, kind of a mintish green, a mint blue, and then an orange, really pretty. And we are using the new printers now. We've switched everything over. If you guys watched last week's vlog, you heard me talk about it, but we have now officially switched everything over to those newer printers. So this is the mini version of the kit. You've got your full boxes, your flags, your bow checklist, icons. I'm missing the sheet of half boxes. Here we go. I've got the half boxes, your appointment labels, your quarter boxes. You've got your little things, your scalloped headers, and your cut washi. And then we've got the same bottom washi, date covers, daily trackers, and weekly trackers for that last sheet. And then we've got B6. So we've got the same full boxes, again, standard Erin Condren size. We're not gonna switch back. It's a lot easier on us to print them this way. And we also now offer our full boxes a la carte if that's something that you're interested in. I know a lot of the people that use the micro kits really like picking them up that way. Next sheet is your half boxes, quarter boxes, and labels. Next sheet is your scalloped headers. You've got some more labels, some 3-bow checklist, cut washi, little things. And then for your last sheet, I was able to keep the bottom washi the same. It is a little bit smaller, but I feel like you can still see it and you can still see all of the detail. Not sure how well you can see it on camera, but in person you can definitely still see all the detail within that head. So you've got your icons and your date numbers. And then the last collection that we've got here is the Jolly collection. So I really love how this turned out. This one is holographic foiling as well. And this one, I mean, it's kind of traditional colors, but at the same time, they're really bright. It's more of a, this is like a tealish blue instead of being that like deep foresty green. So yeah, you guys can see, I did some just kind of larger pieces of foil, but they kind of go within the kit instead of taking up like an entire full box the way that the magical ones do. So you guys can see that. We've actually got a string light going across the bed, just super cute. And then here is your bottom washi. a different type of string light for this. So these are the smaller ones, you guys can see. You've got your date covers and your weekly tracker. Those are for the deluxe kit, and I'm again just gonna flip through the pages. I think I've already mentioned that I have got the glitter headers will be available a la carte for these. So here's your first sheet, or technically your second sheet. You've got your 3-bow checklist, your icons, your scripts. Next sheet is your labels, quarter boxes and half boxes, and then you've got your cut washi, your little things, and your glitter headers. Next sheet has got your ombre bow checklist, and that is all for the deluxe kit. And I'm just gonna spread these out because this video is gonna be incredibly long. So here is your mini kit, same format as the ones that I just showed. Same bottom washi, and then here is your B6. You've got the same full boxes. And then for the bottom washi for B6, I was able to keep that the same as well without losing anything. So those are the 3 new collections for this week. They are already up, so if you want to preload, the code will be announced at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time all over the place, Facebook, Instagram, as well as UPS's Facebook and Instagram. So as far as what we are offering for samplers, we will be doing these freebies right here for all orders. So there are 5 different options. They are all pretty similar. So you guys can see, and we're gonna kind of just switch foil colors between silver and gold. So these will be just kind of random. And then for orders over 35, we have got the Buffalo Plaid sampler right here. Okay, so for orders 50 and up, we've got this sampler right here, which is actually a past $2 Tuesday, but you guys seem to really love this one, so I thought we would go ahead and bring this back. So these are for orders over $50 after coupons, but before shipping. So all of these will be silver. We're not gonna go back and forth between these, and then you guys can see this is just our regular sampler. So there's that. And then for orders over 75, I actually have an unreleased micro kit. So this one was done a while ago and I don't know what happened, but it never got listed. So this is the Winter Wishes micro kit. So same thing, orders over 75 after the coupon, but before shipping will receive this one. It is silver foil, you guys can see. Also, this will get put into the shop. I totally blanked on it, realized that had happened, and then thought it would be a good freebie since nobody would have it yet. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this a little bit differently because the camera battery just died again and I need to get this video up. So as you can see, we have got stacks of freebies here. Juan said that there are 9 in each stack. So they may be a little bit different depending on which stack that you get. I think that he had to kind of switch some stuff out. But for the first 40 orders that are placed after the code goes live, one of these stacks will come with your order. So I'm just gonna kind of like go flip through a couple of these. I do think though, now that I'm sitting here, that they've been mixed up a little bit. So we will take just a look at 1 or 2, just to kind of show you guys, and I'm just gonna flip through because I'm trying to keep this video pretty short so that we can get it up pretty quickly. So we've got some really cute clear freebies. We have got one here, let's see, Sweet Tea Plans, some really cute hand-drawn stuff. We have got fall. This one is from Rory's Sweet Addictions, super cute. And then let's see, we've got Boulder Bond here. It's planning time. The Smushed Peach, tiny little tulip. We have got Bean Sprout Paper Co. If you guys have seen my custom Aussies, Britton is who drew those for me and made them into stickers. So that was one of the stacks. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna go through another one, but I can't tell. So as you guys can see, they are just kind of mixed together. So I can't like guarantee which stack you'll get. But there are 9 in each one. So at least he was able to like get everything so that they're even, because normally they're not. So we've got Saucy Stickers Co., Lil Annabelle Plans, Ohana Story. I love her little hand-drawn. Look at the one with the fries, super cute. Handmade Mommy Plans, Strawberry Lime Designs, and Nicole Hutch Designs. And then we've got this really, really pretty clear freebie here with the foiling. And then here's another one from Mandy Lynn Plans. So yeah, they're all mixed together. But as you guys can see, everything's ready to go. So first 40 orders, The code will be announced at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, if I forgot anything to mention anything, you guys let me know in the comments down below and I will reply before the morning. But yeah, so I hope you guys love this week's new releases. I hope everybody is super excited for the Ultimate Planner sale, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.